Hey there, this is Gabriela with another video. Let's talk about how I can add several images in Money Robot Submitter on my campaigns. Let's go to click on here, new campaign. Then on this area, and gray area, or white or black, depending on your colors, right click, click on advanced, and then you're gonna see this image, insert image URL. After you create your article is when you're gonna do this. SEO tools, how to use SEO tools, an example. Okay, let's create it. In the meantime, we're gonna grab this. Okay, let's copy this image. Wow, sorry. Copy image address. Let's wait until, okay, perfect. Click on here and you can add before or after. I like before, I like in the beginning. Copy here and then insert. This is the HTML code add in your article. If we see here, we can wrap this thing here and copy many times. Sorry, I don't know what happened. Many times you would like to have different image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Estamos bien. Okay, let's work with this. Now I'm gonna grab this one and replace on the image address URL. Remember, this is just, I use Amazon just to grab several different images. I just want to show you how to do it. You're going to choose your own pictures, and also you can add on this HTML code the alt image. We're not gonna do it now, but I'm just telling you can still do it. Okay, take another one. Let's replace it here. Okay, now we have 3 more to go. Summertime. Okay, one more. Perfect. Now we have yes, 6 different images on the under the HTML code. We are not gonna grab this to put everything on the same article, because it's gonna show your 6 images. What we're gonna do is going to this tool I use a lot, and we're gonna go to a spin tag generator. Okay. After that, you go to add your keywords here. In this moment, we are talking about the whole thing. We're gonna copy here. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't grab it. Let's go here, copy. Okay, after one phrase or keyword per line, that means That's why I did it one per line here. And then after that, I'm going to click here, generate the Spintash form I'm going to use. Copy here. Wonderful. And then I'm going to go here. And all I copy, I'm going to put it in here. Ching. Let's see how we did. Okay, we have here one picture. No more picture down, just one. Spin. Spin. Wow. Okay, we got another one. The one I like the most we see. Here's another one. Definitely the most you add, this is gonna be more pictures, of course. You see, we are using different image for our different blocks, and just one. Also, you can add this inside of your article too, if you would like to. I definitely just use it in here on the front, and maybe add some alt using my keywords too. That's that's something good to do also. I hope this helped you guys. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment area. I will put the tool on the description area. Until the next one.